Hi everyone, my name is Andrea and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today we are going to be hauling quite a bit, or I guess not quite a bit, but it is a decent amount in my eyes. I do have the Boxy Pop-Up, we do have two different indie brands, and then we do have a new release. Do check down below in the comments for timestamps if you'd rather just see Boxy Pop-Up, this, that, whatever. Without further ado, if you would like to see everything that I got, then just keep watching. So I'm starting with Boxy Pop-Up since this literally got here this morning, and I was actually pretty happy about that because I had been meaning to film this video and I anticipated on doing it last weekend and it just never happened. So I'm thankful that it got here today. That way everything's just in one jumbo video. First thing I got, some people may diss me on, and that's totally okay, but I do still use makeup removing masks. What is this called? Makeup removing wipes. Oh my gosh. So the first thing here is the MAC Gently Off wipes and Micellar water, and this is a 30 piece, and this retails for $30 just for 30 of these makeup removing wipes. Oh my gosh, I really can't speak. I keep wanting to call it masks, makeup removing masks. What? $30 for this originally, and I got it for only $5, and I seriously can't get enough of makeup removing wipes. Oh, I said it right that time. I just think they're great to keep in your bag and keep in your house, whatever, what may have you. Next up is from Fenty Beauty. Oh my gosh. So I have a foundation stick from this brand and I fell in love with it, so I really wanted to try another foundation from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Pro Filter Foundation, and this one is in number 320. Let's see here. So I spent $18 on this, and let's see how much this bad boy originated for. This is originally $36 and I only spent $18 on it, and I'm terrible at matching myself. Even in the stores, I'm not even gonna give myself that. Originally I was gonna say I'm bad at matching myself online, I'm better in person, but in reality I'm not much better in person either. I just find it really difficult to find olive undertone foundations. I have to like play around with my foundation a lot to get it the color that I want literally every day. So yeah, there is this, and it looks a little bit more honey-like, or what would you say, like warm toned, almost like peachy undertones. This looks like it has peachy undertones, and I don't know if that's gonna work for my skin. I'm definitely not peachy undertones, but who knows, maybe I can mix this with other foundations and make it look right. So oh cool, so this is really good. I like this a lot. So basically you just pump it out, and this is actually really good because you can see how much product you have left in the tube, and this kind of packaging is so much easier for when you are running low on product. You can just twist it down and get the rest of it out. Next up from Yensa, this is the Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge, and I love the look of this sponge. It almost has this pointy tip to it, which I think is excellent at making sure the concealer under your eyes looks okay, and this was originally $18 and I got it for only $4, which is such a steal in my opinion, and there would have been no way Jose would I ever spend $18 on a sponge. Next, on to some hair products. So the first one I did actually put in my hair today, and let me tell y'all about this hold. Okay, so this is the Flora and Curls Botanical Hair Sweet Hibiscus Curl Defining Gel, and if you guys know me, Dollar Tree gels tend to be like my go-to, so the fact that I got one that wasn't $1, I was very proud of myself. I was very proud indeed. This smells so good. My hair just smells like a garden. Like I just walked through like a big old bunch of flowers, and that's what my hair smells like because of this. And this is a cruelty-free product. I purchased this for only $9, and this was originally $19. I feel like this is only gonna last me a week with how much product I have to put in my hair, but hopefully this will last me a good 2 weeks. That would be really cool. And I also purchased this, and this boy is huge. This is the, what is this called? This is the Design Find Me, Hold Me, three-way hairspray. Ooh, three-way hairspray. I purchased this for $9 and it retails for $24. And I do like the matte pink packaging. I think that it is very sleek, and that is what it looks like. I kind of want to put some on right now. Is anything coming out? Hold on. Smells like hairspray. At first I was like, ooh, this is gonna like have like some like florally scent too. I feel like I put on way too much hairspray, but that's fine. It's fine, everything's fine. But yeah, so that was everything that I got from Boxy Pop-Up, and I was actually really proud of myself. I only spent like 45 bucks, and half of the things, or I guess 2 of the things, were hair care, which is something that I genuinely need on a daily basis. So I did very, very good, if I do say so myself. Next up, I saw an ad for Cara Beauty in one, I think it was like on Instagram, and I was like, cool, another indie brand, let's try it out. So I made this purchase. Let's see, what date did I make this purchase on? My order date was on 5/11, and I've already managed to lose the lashes, and I haven't even used them yet. But I got these Fabulashes 3D faux mink lashes, and I really hope that they show up because I really wanted to do a look on my Instagram, so that's why I bought this specifically. So I was like, all right, whatever, but I really hope that it turns up soon so I can complete the look. But I got this palette right here. Now, this is not a palette that I would really gravitate towards as far as color story goes, and this is the Amore palette, and this is this is also cruelty free and vegan. So this palette did retail for $16. So for $16 you get 9 stunning eyeshadows, and there is a mirror up here as well. And like I said, this isn't really a color story that I gravitate towards, but I don't think I own any yellows. I don't own any yellows. I have so much eyeshadow and I have 0 yellows. So I think that's why I really wanted it. We have some yellows. There is this white up here. There is a cranberry shade, this beautiful goldeniness, and then an oranges. For some reason, this packaging is really giving me ColourPop vibes. I don't know. Let me know down below if it's giving you ColourPop vibes as well. And then I also purchased this eyeliner, and I did use this in, what was it? I think it was like the Barbie, ColourPop X Barbie release video. I'll link that video down below if you guys are interested. But this is the Cara Beauty waterproof liquid eyeliner, and this is just a felt tip pen eyeliner, and this one does retail for $7. Did I need another eyeliner? No, I did not. However, it's waterproof, and I was like, you know what, with the summer coming up, I don't actually think that I have a waterproof eyeliner. I think that all of my eyeliners, at least felt tip, that I have are non-waterproof. If they are waterproof, they don't say waterproof on them, so that's how I kind of justified purchasing this from Zcia. And I believe that this package did come from China. I think the other one came from California area, but this one did come from China, so it did take a little bit longer to get here, but it was still definitely well worth it. And so this is the first item that well, this is what attracted me, and this is why I made the purchase. I saw this on a Facebook ad, and I was like, oh my gosh, Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland is one of my absolute favorites, and it's actually a play that I was in as a child. So I was like, we have to get this. And I guess this had been around for a little bit, and then it sold out, and then they relaunched it. So I was pretty content with this, and I do have a full review of this coming here within this upcoming week, because I do have a lot of these shades on my face today. Once I kind of zoom you guys in, you guys will see the stunning designs that are on some of these shadows and the blushes, because I think that they are just phenomenal. There's this little brush that came in here as well that I did not use today. Caffeine. How came in this, and then it was like wrapped, like, what do you call it, like a it was shrink wrapped. There was shrink wrap over it. I was like, what the heck? And then same with the blush that I'm about to show you guys, and the blush is honestly like the highlight of this purchase for me. I know that sounds terrible, but the blush was it for me, sis. And it's a little bougie, but it's worth it. So this blush retails for $32, and it is gold. It is beautiful, and I don't know if I'm going to use it in the next 5 years, but it's pretty. The reason why I don't think I'm going to use it is just because of how stunning it is. Oh my gosh. So it has like this little flower print on here, And this blush retailed for $32. It just says Peony Blush, so I don't know what the heck this is, but it is gorgeous, and this is definitely going on my makeup vanity, and that was kind of the whole purpose of it. But yeah, it was very interesting because it even came in this little bag here. In this little bag, I was like, wow. So it comes in this bag. Hold on, let me just put it back in there just for the heck of it. But they're just stunning, 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 stunning. I think the blush is like, no, I'm out. I don't want to go back in. Don't put me back in. You can't make me go back in there. And then I'm like, yes, you have to go back in there. Okay, so it came like this, and then in that box, and then shrink wrapped. I was like, am I ever gonna get to this freaking blush? Like, it was just like, there was too much going on. Like, hold on, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's 3 things I have to get through to get to the freaking product. So a little bit too much for me, but still definitely worth it. Finally, I got a PR package from none other than Pixi by Petra. And Pixi by Petra is one of my favorite brands, and I'm just a very natural makeup loving kind of gal, and so that's why I really love Pixi. And Pixi, I would say, is kind of on the more expensive side of drugstore makeup, and this that was sent to me is the On the Glow Blush Tinted Moisture Stick, and there are 3 of these in here, and look at that. Oh my gosh. I love the packaging so much, and I actually really like how light these are. And originally this light pink shade really scared me, and the reason why it scared me is because I was like, that's not gonna look good on my skin. But once you put it on, I only put it on my hands, but once I put it on my hand, it kind of just melts, and that's why I really like it. It will just melt into your natural skin tone, and I think that it looks really good. And like I said, these are a little bit more on the sheer side, but you can build these up as well. I would say that my absolute favorite is Juicy, but then again, I'm obsessed with orange blushes. Ruby is my second favorite, and Fleur comes in last, but it is still good, and I could actually see myself wearing it a lot in the fall/winter months when I get a little bit more pale, even though I feel kind of pale right now. I still haven't gotten like that summer warmth in my skin yet. It's whatever, it'll come eventually, right? But yeah, so it is kind of funny because these each kind of look like deodorant sticks. I mean that in the kindest way, because it's just, I've never seen packaging like this. So like this little plastic guy like pops off, and this just looks like a deodorant stick to me. Does it look like a deodorant to anybody else? Am I just crazy? Oh, hold on. Oh, this is how it works. Okay, so this is how you can get it up. So I want to see how much product is in here. It just keeps going and going and going. Okay, I don't want to put it up all the way because what will end up happening is it'll get stuck, because I know myself. This kind of is giving me like popsicle vibes right now. Maybe that's because I'm hungry. I don't know. But deodorant stick / popsicle. Interesting. I never said I was normal. I never did. But this is good to kind of just like put back in here for any cream blushes that you use. These are good just to make sure that they don't go crazy. What they'll do is they'll dry out. They don't go crazy, they dry out. So yeah, that is why that seal is on there. And yeah, I can't get over the fact that it looks like a deodorant. I think it's just the shape. That's just my personal opinion, but I will definitely be giving you guys a full review on all 3 of these here very soon, and I cannot wait to play around with these individually. And again, I love this orange right here so much. Thank you so much, Pixi, for sending this my way. I seriously appreciate it so much. That's it. That's everything. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm out of breath. Nonetheless, thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me for a little bit today. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye guys.